To use the virtual camera feature in OBS Studio, what you're going to do is click the Start Virtual Camera button right here at the bottom of OBS. Once you click that, it will create a video output from OBS that you can plug into any number of other softwares, including Zoom, Discord, Skype, etc. I have Zoom open right over here, and I'm going to show you how the video signal from my OBS is now going to be outputted, and it can be captured in Zoom. So for example, let's say in OBS, you wanted to play a video. Like for example, right now I'm playing a video, and you wanted that video to show up in Zoom or some other video conferencing platform. Now that you have your virtual camera enabled in OBS, you can go into Zoom or whatever other software you're using, go to the section where you select your video source. You will select OBS virtual camera. It will show up here as like a webcam, for example, on your computer. Click it and then enable video. And then whatever you're showing in your OBS will appear as your visual in Zoom conference or whatever other video conferencing software you're using. Now, one thing to keep in mind, this method does not capture your audio from OBS and bring it over to Zoom or Skype or whatever it is that you're using. It only brings over the visuals. So if you want people to hear you on your Zoom call, you need to select the proper audio device here, such as whatever your microphone is, etc., your system sound, whatever it may be, so that people can hear you in the video call using that audio source normally. So click that microphone icon in Skype or Zoom or whatever, and still you have to select your microphone. I will do a separate video on how to take the audio from OBS and output the audio to other platforms, but it's a little bit more complicated. So that's how you get your visuals from OBS over to that call. And if you want to, in that call, change from the visuals such as OBS virtual camera, and you want to go back to your face on the screen, what you can do is go back next to the camera icon, do the up hash or whatever it is in your video program, and select your webcam. And as you can see, boom, it'll switch you over to your webcam. You can talk to your audience and say whatever you want to say. And then you can say, all right, well, let's get back into the presentation or whatever it is that you're doing. And then you can swap back to the virtual camera to pull up those materials, and you can seamlessly switch between those two using your video conferencing software. If any of this seems a bit complicated or you have questions about it, I totally get it. I've been doing this for a living for the last 15 years, and I've done multi-million-dollar webinars on Zoom conference doing exactly this, essentially. And if you want me to help you one-on-one, I'm happy to. Just go to awalldigital.com, select your day, pick your time, and just enter your information and pay, and boom, I'm on a one-on-one video call with you, helping you with your technology, your YouTube strategy, your social media strategy, etc., giving you the technology solutions or whatever it is that you may need to help you with your online broadcasting career.